Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
This video shows how to link your Google Pay bank access into Phonepe safely. Make sure you use the same mobile number in both apps. Confirm your bank account is active and supports UPI payments. Keep a valid 4-digit UPI PIN ready for quick setup. Ensure your phone can send and receive SMS for automatic verification. Know that transaction history from Google Pay will not transfer automatically to Phonepe. Open Phonepe and sign in with the same mobile number used on Google Pay. Tap My Money and choose Link Bank Account to begin the process. Phonepe will try automatic SMS verification to detect your bank account. Allow SMS permission so verification completes without manual codes. Choose your bank from the list and confirm the account ending digits shown. Enter your existing 4-digit UPI PIN or create a new one to finalize linking. If automatic verification fails, check that SMS permission is granted and the correct SIM is inserted. Try restarting the phone and retrying Link Bank Account in Phonepe. To reset a forgotten UPI PIN, choose Reset UPI PIN and use your debit card last 6 digits and expiry date. After setup, send a small Rupee 10 or Rupee 20 test payment to confirm successful linking. Remember, Google Pay transaction history will stay in Google Pay and not appear in Phonepe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.